Yes.
We're recording now.
Hello?
Hello?
We're heading through the on the Bird River track, heading back towards Lake Burberry. And as you can see, there's some obstacles on the road. A shrubbery, or at least a shrub. And this is going to be fun. We're driving through the shrub now. How fantastic. Another one, all in a day's work in trying to get a video for the UAE. Or the UAE, not the UAE. Right, and certainly the weather has closed in.
It's a lovely day down here.
Lovely day, 12 degrees, and we're at
13 degrees, thank you very much.
It's much warmer than I
Yes.
thought. Thank you
We're
there.
taking a degree off.
Well, the rain's really coming down now, isn't it, Amy?
Yes. Hello, Hannah.
Very nice, Amy.
What
That's
is the name?
Here we go. We're
Now,
kind of debris on the road.
Amy, why is it called a rainforest?
Because it's raining.
That's right.
Very good.
That's our rainforest lesson for the day.
I can't wait to teach my Furby some more things.
Can't
That'll
you?
be good. Well, we should have brought him on the trip, shouldn't we?
Oh, Furby would have loved it.
So would we. And here we go, Amy.
Oh, a little landslip there. As we race through the forest.
I will bring Furby on the next trip we go.
Okay.
Oh, well, we might take him for a bushwalk tomorrow. What do you think?
Good.
That'd be great. He'd like to go and see the bush for the first time, wouldn't he?
Yeah.
What about
It's not a boy, it's a girl.
Clara?
And look at this tree fern on the right,
Yeah.
otherwise known as a man fern to people here.
Shrubbery on the ground.
Heading now back towards Lake Burberry. What a delightful track it is. I can't wait to see the log across the road.
Yeah, that'll be good. Boom, 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 boom. It's a bumpy, isn't it?
Boom, 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 boom.
Simon's picking up speed.
Boom, 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 boom.
Like the experienced driver he is.
It's always good to hold a steady speed, a sensible speed. But you know, on conditions such as these, you have to always be on your guard. Now, bit of a drop off there to the left and to the right. Very reminiscent of the Highlands, isn't it, Katrina?
Very much so.
I don't know which Highlands. Highlands, I don't know.
Any Highlands?
That's all.
Tasmanian Highlands? Where's that log?
Well, I was hoping we'd get to that before you stopped filming.
Oh, oof, nicely done. No paddy melons, unfortunately.
No.
Well, we saw
Look
one.
at the lovely contrast of colours there, the green and the
Green?
green, and a bit more green, but all a different tinge of green. Every colour of the rainbow as long as it's green.
Oh, there's our nice crack in the windscreen.
Now coming round this corner, this is an exciting piece.
Is it?
It is, because as you come around this corner you'll see nothing.
Green.
So,
Green
so
trees.
I stand
Yes.
corrected. There wasn't actually anything there at all.
Yes, Watty,
However,
Watty.
any moment now,
Watty.
feel free to have another shot on the golf while you wait for this to come.
On the 26th hole.
26th hole, the creamer machine
And
coming
what?
in with a victory. Good to hear.
What?
Well, Vajagas is going to do you tonight.
Well, of course, by the time Hannah and Layla are watching this, they will know that McIlroy has staged an upset of epic proportions. Or not.
Where's our log?
Maybe it's gone.
It hasn't gone. It's got to be up here somewhere. That was a dark bit, wasn't it, Em?
Yeah.
Now, coming round this corner, I think we're right this time, coming round this corner, you'll notice any moment now
More trees.
more trees, some debris, but curiously no log. Which
Can
I'm
I say
very
something?
Of course you can.
Thank you.
What
Make
for?
sure you say hello to Hannah and Layla.
And Radna.
Okay.
You can speak.
Yes,
Whoop.
I know. Hello? Hello, what's there?
We're coming up to our log
I
soon
love
because
you.
this taller log was
I
there
love you.
past it. You love everyone, Em.
Yes, I do.
Jeez.
Here we are now, slowing down for the debris on the road, and you can see it's been
Yeah.
quite a wild situation here.
And we have our log newly.
We're all going
Fallen.
under the log now.
Yay, we made it under the log.
It's like a bridge.
It is like a bridge, and look at this
Not a-
debris on the
A
road.
bit of a dangerous bridge.
Yeah.
Yes, better to walk under it than over it. Ha 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 ha.
Hey.
That's going to be on
That
film.
sounds like a bridge.
Very good. Well done.
Look
That
at the logs up
sounds
there.
like
Logs.
a bridge.
Logs.
There's moss on them. It goes to show just how long they've been in place. It's such a both perilous and
Hey,
steady
Em.
position.
Okay.